Welcome to Samaya Living YouTube channel. I'm Jyoti Khatri. In today's video, I'm going to share a massage for your thyroid nodules. This massage you have to do on your both the feet for around 5 minutes at least. If you do it for 10-15 minutes, then it is going to be amazing for you. It not only will work on your thyroid nodules or hypothyroid or hyperthyroid situation, but also improve your overall health. So you must do this massage if you want to keep yourself healthy and happy. So both men and women should include this massage into their daily lives. They'll be seeing a lot of positive changes into their health because your thyroid glands secrete the hormone, and it is very important to regulate those hormones into your body and to maintain that hormonal balance into your body, which ultimately not only impact your body but also your mind. So both men and women should include this massage into their daily life and try to do this massage for at least 5 minutes daily. Do this massage with positive intention, and you can do this massage at any time. So try out this massage and heal yourself from within. Now let's move on to how to do this thyroid massage at home or anywhere. Let's get started. So there you have it. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button down below. Do share this video with everyone who might find it useful. Comment down below the topics that you want to see in the future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.